Hello everyone and welcome to episode 2 of what you need to do once you purchase and set up the PlayStation 5. This is a series that I'm doing and that I'm dividing into small videos instead of doing one very long video. And today's topic is what are the settings that you have to use on your PlayStation 5 in order to experience the most immersive features that the new console has to offer. And we're gonna divide this video into small sections, starting right off by going into the settings tab and then choosing sound. On sound, go ahead and select audio output and then scroll all the way down until you find enable 3D audio. 3D audio is a new feature that has been introduced to PlayStation 5 and works with the Pulse 3D wireless headset that you can purchase with your PlayStation 5, or if you have a headset that already supports this feature, you can use it on the PlayStation. And then there's something that they introduced called audio profile that allows you to adjust the height of the sound you're gonna hear depending on the placement and the positioning of your ear. It's kind of a bit of advanced, but it's going to be personal and each one can adjust this setting to his liking. The second thing that we're going to talk about is the controller in the accessories settings. So you go to accessories settings and then you can adjust the volume of your controller, but you can also adjust the vibration intensity and the trigger effect intensity. If you want the full immersive experience, set those to strong. And if you are more of a hardcore gamer who doesn't want his controller to move while he's aiming and shooting, well, put those into weak. The third thing is rest mode. Rest mode this year has gotten a few tweaks and enhancement, and it provides you multiple modes. For example, the optimized experience, where you can keep your PlayStation on rest mode. You can turn it on remotely with the remote or the smartphone application. You can download updates and you can charge controllers at the same time. But this one is power consuming and is a 300 watt power machine this time. Then the low power use is a low power use as it says, but it does not download the updates or charge the controllers. It's kind of an enhanced version of the previous rest mode we had on PlayStation 4. If when you turn on your PlayStation 5 you just skip through all these steps and you want to do them, it's very simple, don't be worried. What you need to do is to go to settings and then go to system settings and then go to system software and then start by system software update and then update the system software. If you want to adjust other settings, such as the power mode, what you need to do is to go to system, go to power saving, and then in features available in rest mode, you can choose if you want your PlayStation to stay connected, to download updates, or even to charge controllers. Then this is something called remote play that you enable and that would allow you to turn on your PlayStation 5 using the application or the remote. Then in save data or game app settings, go to automatic updates and then turn on auto download or auto install in rest mode for your games to automatically update. And this has been it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Peace!